Apple, banana, papaya.
Fruit, mix and play, sweet and yummy every day. This is a strawberry. This is a pear. This is a mango. This is banana. This is an apple. This is a grape. This is a pineapple. This is a potato. This is melon. This is a milk. This is a cheese. And this ingredient. This is an ice cream. We serve and share. Thank you. Thank you. And that I love you.